Hey, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. In this video, I want to show you how to eliminate that extension lag, or how to get that perfect extension after a knee replacement. Actually, even if it's not a knee replacement, the extension lag or that flexion contracture, it's a common problem in knee surgeries. Let's say, for example, ACL repairs. That is very common also. But it is especially common in knee replacements. I see a lot of knee replacements in the clinic, and this is a lot of people, they come into the clinic and their knee is not going straight. It's not perfectly straight. Now, in a previous video, I gave you a tip on how to avoid that in the first place. It's the best way is to avoid this situation. But now, if you already have an extension lag, you already have that flexion contracture, and that knee is not straight anymore, what do? Let me show you. Okay, so let's get on with this. Let me show you what to do. There's top 2 stretches that you can do to get that knee to straighten. Okay, there's 2 stretches that I recommend going into extension. Now, number 1 is I want you have that towel roll like this. So let me put it down. All right, so you have a towel roll like this. Ideally, okay, this bed has this gap here. I don't want you to be that gap. I want it to be a flat part so you can actually elevate your leg a little bit more. So I want this under your Achilles tendon, under the heel area. So what it does is, if your knee is bent like this, you have an extension lag, right? You will have a gap here. Having it this way, and gravity is gonna pull it down, or you can actually tighten this muscle and push your knee down. So that way, you eliminate that gap. All right? So this is one simple way to do it, or because you can't tighten this all the time. So what I recommend is I like to do this longer period of time. I like to hold this for like maybe 10-15 minutes, 2-3 times a day at least, right? So what you can do, put some ankle weights, or I tell people, like a bag of rice, right? Put it on top of the knee, or they have, to save time, they can put the cold pack there and put the weight on top, right? This will push the knee down. Now, it's important you have the towel or a pillow under the heel so that it elevates your foot a little bit, creates more space, and it pushes us down. Now, this is uncomfortable if you have an extension lag or you have that knee flexion contracture. This will be painful, this will be uncomfortable, so I want you to bear with this, okay? It's not gonna be a piece of cake, but if you keep doing this, this will give you the result that you want. This will make your knee straight, okay? So hold this 10-15 minutes, do it 3 times a day, or even 5 if it's really bad, if it's really stiff. So this is one way to do it. Now, the other way that you can stretch that knee into extension is what we call a prone hang. And let me show you how to do it. So I want you to go on your tummy, and you're going to be off the bed. You're gonna slide off the bed. Let me actually move the camera a little bit. All right, so you can see my leg part. All right, so from here, I want you to be off the bed. So you see my knees off the bed, so the kneecap's not gonna be pushing on the bed, so it doesn't hurt. So if it's off the bed like that, you can actually put a towel roll here even. And what you want to do is just relax this. So what it will do is, gravity is gonna pull your leg down because of the weight of your leg. So it's gonna pull it down. I want you to hold this. How long? 10-15 minutes. You can do it 3 to 5 times a day. Now, to add a bit more stretch, because some people, their knee is very stiff, and then even in this position, it stays like this, right? What I recommend now will be putting ankle weights on your ankle. All right, use 5 pounds, 10 pounds, and then go in this position, and the weight's gonna pull it down more, and then that's gonna give you more stretch. It's gonna be uncomfortable also, right? But this will be more effective, because if it's comfortable, then you're not really getting much of that stretch. Okay, so either way, one of those 2 try them or try both of them. Those are the top two stretches that I recommend in getting your extension back. Okay, the one that you put the weight on top of the knee, and the other one is the prone hangs. Use weights. Start with 5 pounds so that it doesn't hurt too much. You go up to 10, then 15, and even 20 if it's really tight. Okay, so I want you to try those and let me know how you feel. Let me know what you think. You have to keep up with it for maybe a week or two though, because it's gonna be painful, but in time you're gonna get the result. So don't give up, just bear with it. Okay, let me know what you think. Let me know what the results are. You try it. Thank you very much for your time, for watching this video. If you are undergoing the knee replacement, or you know someone undergoing knee replacement or surgery, definitely share this with them, because this will help them in their recovery. All right, let me know if you have any other questions that I can address for you, so I can help your recovery be a lot easier, or even if it's a little easier, a little more comfortable, because it's a rough process. All right, don't hesitate to let me know, and share this with other people, so you can help their recovery be easier also, and you help them in their recovery, transform their lives. All right, so I will see you on the next video. Bye.